I'm headed straight for the floor. The alcohol served its tour, and it's headed straight for my skin, leaving me daft and dim. I've got this shake in my legs, shaking the thoughts from my head. Who put these waves in the door? I cracking out, I pour. I'm Mr. Loverman, and I miss my Loverman.
Oh yeah, I guess Baka goes. Moving on.
I'm Mr. Loverman.
Let's try to forget that depressing outcome.
Oh, and I miss my lover. The ways in which you talk to me have me wishing I were gone. The ways that you say my name have me running on and on. Oh, I'm cramping up, I'm cramping up. But you're cracking up, you're cracking up. I'm Mr. Loverman, and I miss my Loverman. I'm Mr. Loverman. Oh, and I miss my lover.
You're number one listener, and I want to be your boyfriend. No thanks. But why'd you kiss me?
Mr. Loverman, and I miss my Loverman. I'm Mr. Loverman. Oh, and I miss my lover.
Can you hold on to this until we get to school?
No way.
Aw, come on, please.
Hold it yourself.
You have to.
Why?
Just trust me, please. This is very important.
This is a joke. You are walking alone.